Well, I'm back at my friend's house and I'm going to replace a smoke alarm. Here's an existing smoke alarm, and there's only one smoke alarm in this entire house, and it's right here. It's hardwired to the system, so I got a new one that's hardwired, and it has a battery backup, a 10-year lithium battery backup. And I'm going to go ahead and install some in the bedrooms. Each bedroom does not have anything. There's no smoke alarms or anything in this house. Okay? And they have those at the store, just battery operated ones with a backup 10-year lithium battery. So I'm going to put one here in this bedroom, another bedroom here to do, one bedroom here to do, and the master bedroom. Those are all battery backups. And then I'm putting a different one up here. And I think what I'm doing here, I forget, but I'm pretty sure this one, I've got a smoke alarm as well as carbon monoxide detector. And I'll just have to see what I got. I went to the store and got all this stuff. Now I forget. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, this one here is a combination, and it's hardwired, and it also detects smoke and carbon monoxide. So this is the one that's going to go up in the hallway right here. Okay. Now there's different smoke alarms. You don't have to get the kitty, but what I made sure was it was hardwired. This little wire nut, and see it says hardwire right there, and then it also says 120 volt hardwired, and this one's a combination, detects smoke and carbon monoxide. So I'm going to put this one up in the hallway, up by the bedrooms, because they have gas appliances downstairs. If anything ever leaks, it comes up the stairs, you're not going to smell it or anything, and this is going to detect that, and the alarm's going to go off. Okay, and then down by the kitchen, there's nothing down there, and I'm gonna put this one here. This one detects carbon monoxide as well. And this, see this here? Never replace battery lasts 10 years. This one here is a lithium battery, and this detects smoke right here, and it also detects carbon monoxide. You've got to have one. See here, 10-year life, smoke and CO alarm. And you need to have something like that down by the kitchen, not in the kitchen, but in a room outside the kitchen. That's what is required, okay? And you'll sleep way better at night knowing that you've done all the best you can do. Now see, these are just battery backups, and this is smoke alarm only, 10-year, never needs replacement on the battery. And it also gives you some little plastic anchors here and a screw and stuff. You just poke holes into the ceiling and screw it up there, and that's all that you need. Those are going to go in all the bedrooms. Okay. Now some houses are hardwired all of the units. The only way to really know is you remove one of your existing ones and see if you got some wire nuts on it or anything like that. Then that would mean it's hardwired. Okay. Check it out before you go to the store. This is another reason why I like my snips, my Wiz 10 snips, because these things are hard to open if you don't have any cutters. You know, you can try it with scissors, but this works so much better. So I'm going to open up these packages and get ready to go. You know, as with anything like this, it comes with a little user's guide. You might want to hang on to this in case you have any problems with your smoke alarm for the next 10 years. And there's probably some directions in here on securing it and mounting it and resetting the alarm and all that kind of stuff. Make sure you check all that out, okay? When you look at these, usually there's a date of install on the side and maybe date to replace. Okay, but on this one, there's only date of install. So I'm going to put the date on because you might think, oh, I'll remember in 10 years when I need to replace it. Well, think again. Just go ahead and put the date on there. Don't forget.